And now, marine weather around Alaska.
Thursday wind forecast for the south coast, south to southeasterlies at 20 knots, and the north coast, east winds 10 to 20 knots. Lynn Canal, southeast at 10, southeast 15 for Clarence Strait, southeast 25 for southeast 15 for Stevens Passage, Clarence Strait, small craft advisory southeast at 25 knots. Then on Friday, small craft advisories on the south coast, southeasterlies at 25 knots, east winds 15 to 25 knots for the north coast, and northeast at 10 for Lynn Canal, southeast 15 Stevens Passage, and a southeast wind at 20 for Clarence Strait. Prince William Sound, variable at 10, eastern North Gulf Coast, east at 15, northeast 15 on the west side, and the Barren Islands, east at 15, southeast 15, Kamishek Bay, Cook Inlet, southerlies 15 to 20. And for Friday, Cook Inlet, north wind at 10 knots, variable 10 knot winds for Kamishek Bay, northeast at 20 knots for the Barren Islands, and northeast winds 15 for the North Gulf Coast, Prince William Sound, light northwest breeze at 10 knots. Kodiak Island, variable winds at 10 knots tomorrow in the Alaska Peninsula, southeast at 15. A light east wind for Bristol Bay at about 10 knots. And for Friday, small craft advisories now for the Alaska Peninsula, east-southeast winds 25 to 30 knots. North to northeast 15 to 20 knot winds for Kodiak Island, and winds out of the east at 20 for Bristol Bay. For the Fox Islands, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots, southeast at 15 for Adak and Atka, and the western Aleutians, south to east to southeast winds at 20 to 25 knots. For Friday, west-northwest winds at 15 to 20 knots for the western Aleutians, and west winds at 15 to 20 for Adak and Atka, and for the eastern Aleutians, south to southeast winds 30 to 35 knots. And for Norton Sound tomorrow, east winds at 10 knots, northeast at 5 for St. Lawrence Island. Light winds for the Yukon Delta coast, south at 20 though for the Kuskokwim Delta coast, southeast at 15 for the Pribilofs. And for Friday, Pribilof Islands, east winds 30 knots with 10-foot seas, otherwise St. Matthew Island east at 20, southeast 20 south of Nunivak Island, Yukon Delta coast to St. Lawrence Island, east winds at 15 knots. For the Chukchi Sea tomorrow, east-northeast at 5 to 10 knots. Otherwise, for the Arctic coast, winds are down now out of the east at 10 to 15 knots. They become even lighter on Friday for the eastern Beaufort Sea coast. Light winds at 5 knots, east at 10 for the central coast, east-northeast 10 to 15 for the western Arctic coast, and for the Chukchi Sea, east to northeast winds 5 to 10 knots.